Suppose you have a sales invoice where you enter the data and then the amount needs to be typed manually here. So you type 5,30,000 blah 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 blah. It takes very long time even I show you in UX Suite. So there is a shorter way and faster way to do this. Look this. Just type the formula, SpellNumberIn, select the amount and hit enter. You are done. So there is a short way to do this. See how? Just right click in the name of the set, you put, click insert module and paste the code provided in the link below and save this Excel file in XLM format. Once done, reopen the sheet and this formula should work. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.